In this video, I will demo our zkpass prototype implementation and also will show you an application of our zkpass to capture some value of interest in a particular website. Okay, so this is the main zkpass application. It has 4 sections: the setup, transfer, mint, and burn sections. Our zkpass uses 2 scripts. One we can call the zkpass minting script, and also a forwarding mint validator. The latter only serves the purpose to store a reward value that can be later claimed by burning a token minted with the zkpass minting script. The forwarding mint validator is parameterized by an arbitrary integer that only serves the purpose to differentiate a particular forwarding mint instance. And the zkpass minting script is parameterized by a plumcup setup parameter that is generated at random at initialization. So let's go ahead and initialize our scripts. I will put here just an arbitrary integer. And I also need to put a wallet address where both scripts will be sent to as reference scripts so that we can refer to them many times in the future. So here I have a wallet address. The wallet is now with 0 ADA. And I will paste the address and just press the setup button. So I will confirm the transaction. And apparently it has gone through successfully. We can see here the policy ID of the initialized zkpass minting script and the transaction where these 2 scripts were sent. So we can just copy and check out that transaction in the preview Cardano Scan Explorer. And here it is. We can check that we have both scripts here attached to this address. This is the zkpass minting script, and this is the forwarding mint validator. Okay, so that finishes the setup. Before going to the Capital Cities Quiz website, let's post a reward. And we will use now this transfer section. We have to write here the policy ID of the zkpass minting script. It has been filled for us automatically. And so let's transfer, let's say 17 ADA. Okay, so we will forward the reward to the forwarding mint validator. And hopefully I wrote the password correctly. Yes. And okay, that's that. So we have a reward that we can later claim. And let's go ahead and explore what is this website about. This is running locally in my computer. And this is just an example of a game. This is a game that tests our knowledge of capital cities. And when we play this game, we generate a score that we can attestate with the zkpass. In order to be able to get a token or produce a token with our score, we need to write here an address of the recipient of the token. For simplicity, I will just press this button to put here our own address, and then I can play the game. So let's go ahead. Every time I press this button, I get a different question, right? So let's go ahead and play with this one. So what is the capital of Greece? I'm pretty sure it's Athens, which is 3 in this list. Then Argentina is Buenos Aires. Australia should be Canberra. Egypt should be Cairo. And New Zealand, to be honest, I don't know. So I will put Wellington, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I'll press the submit button to see how well I did. Oh, okay. I was lucky and I have 5 out of 5. And okay, so this is some information of interest that I want to certify or attestate with our zkpass. So I will just press the zkpass main button. Okay, so let's just confirm this. And that's that. So this has generated a zkpass result, which is in this case just the byte string representation of the string score equals 5. Now this byte string will be hashed, and that hash will be the input that, together with the generated proof, uh, will allow to mint the token. As token name, we will put the hash of this zkpass result. So the hash of the zkpass result is both the input and the token name. So, okay, we can see that token has been sent in this transaction. And we can go ahead and first explore our transaction. Here, that transaction has been generated in our wallet. And we can see that as metadata, we have an attestation of the information that we have captured from this website. We can go ahead and explore. I think I have copied the transaction. I have to copy and paste it here. Is that the one? Okay, this is the one. And here it is. Okay, so you can see that the token has been minted. Here you see the minted token. And also interestingly, you can see that as a metadata message, you can recover the attestation of the result that we have captured. So if in the future we want to check out the result, we just need to explore the transaction with Explorer, and the result will appear as a metadata message. So that's that. And what can we do with the token? We can go back to our main zkpass application, and we can go to the burn section. So we are skipping the mint section. We don't need it because we have already minted our token, and we just want to recover or claim the reward. So I need to paste in this field the zkpass token in the form of policy ID dot token name. So I need to copy the policy ID of the token. You can see that policy ID coincides with this policy ID here. So I could also have copied it from there. Then I press dot, and I need the token name, which, as I said, is just the hash of our zkpass result. And that's that. Now I press burn, and confirm the transaction. And wrong password for some reason. Okay, that's that. And yeah, the transaction has gone through and the token has been burned. We should see in our wallet that we get them. And here you can see the transaction where we have gotten the reward, the 17 ADA of reward by burning the token. And that's it. That is the demo. Thank you for your attention.